Most affiliate marketers are completely unaware of this advanced strategy that can simplify your business, allowing you to get off of that content treadmill to get more free time while also scaling your income. You see, that beginner level of affiliate marketing is where you publish lots and lots of content, and then you link folks from your content over to those affiliate offers. And this is a great place for beginners to start, especially if you're not an expert in any one niche, because it gives you that opportunity to go do the research and to go create the useful content that will build you into an expert while you're growing your audience and growing your traffic. But here's the problem. Most people stop there, and then one algorithm hit, or they just get burnt out from writing blog post after blog post after blog post, and they don't ever actually achieve that escape velocity that allows them to go full-time with their affiliate marketing business. Some folks unlock level 2, the intermediate level to affiliate marketing, which is where you start growing email lists. And if you were doing the beginner level, the content publishing approach on a blog, all you need to do is create a lead magnet and simply display your lead magnet offer via a pop-up. Bada bing, you got yourself an email list going. Here on YouTube, which is how I grew my audience, obviously, through affiliate marketing on YouTube, you would then need to actually link people over to your free offer, meaning I would have to do like a call out live here in a video, and or some folks start to reinvest the profits they've earned from the beginner levels of affiliate marketing into advertising, and then they run ads to their opt-in page to grow their list. So the beginner level of affiliate marketing is literally publish content and link people over to offers. The intermediate level is where you publish content, you link people to offers, but you also grow your email list. And that brings us to the advanced approach. And this is where you, as an affiliate marketer, go out and you create your own courses. Now, this might sound a little like antithetical to what it means to be an affiliate marketer, but when you start to create and sell your own courses, two major things happen that can unlock a level of business and a level of abundance and a level of freedom that really is life-changing for most people. Number one is you have the ability to run paid ads and scale your offers and scale your customer list without really going out of pocket. Okay. Now, this requires you to not only create great products and great offers that your audience is going to be interested in, but you also have to have great sales copy. You have to have the right words on the page, the salesmanship in print. You have to have the copywriting dialed in a way that you get a high enough conversion rate. But when you can go onto Facebook ads or YouTube ads or Google ads or Pinterest ads or wherever, and you can run $100 in advertising, and then you get out $100 on those sales, but your email list grows. This is you growing a customer list. Now, for you to succeed in affiliate marketer, your audience and your traffic needs to know you, they need to like you, and they need to trust you. What's the best metric for you as a digital entrepreneur to know when someone knows you, likes you, and trusts you? It's when they're willing to pull out their credit card and purchase from you. And the truth is that when you have a customer, or said another way, the truth is that your customer list is actually the most valuable traffic that you have access to out of any level of your business. When someone's purchased from you and they actually enjoyed the process, they enjoy the product, they then trust you at that point in time more than ever. So their willingness to take you up on your product recommendations as an affiliate goes up drastically. But there's a second level to why selling your own products when you are an affiliate marketer is the smartest thing that you can do. And it's because you now have an offer that you can go allow other affiliates in your niche to promote, meaning you're going to go get people with large email lists who already have the trust of their audience, and you're going to go get those folks to send you traffic promoting your products. Now, most people who are running low ticket front end products like this, and they get other affiliates to promote them, most people will give away 80% or 90%. I've even heard of some folks giving away 100% commissions in order to truly incentivize those other affiliates to mail your offer. Now, before you go try to get a bunch of affiliates to mail your offer, you must have data. You must have proof that your offer converts. So this is why the advanced strategy kind of has two different sides. You need to create your offer, you need to create your product on your own, and then you need to test it with your paid paid ads. If you can't drive cold traffic to your offers, if you can't drive sales from your email list to your offers, then going out and getting a bunch of affiliates, they won't make any money mailing your offers either. And if you go recruit a bunch of affiliates to mail your stuff and they don't make any money, you just lost the trust of all of those affiliates and you will never get them to mail your offers again. But when you spend time learning how to create great offers, great products that people want, you create great sales copy around them, then you go test it. You do your conversion rate optimization with your great sales copy and you make sure that your offer converts. So now when one of those affiliates mails your offer, they see cash flow coming in. They send out one email and they might make $500, they might make $5,000, whatever it is for you. But when they see a positive reward from mailing your offer, they're going to be ready, able, and willing to mail you again and again and again. So here's what happens when you allow other affiliates to mail your offers. You're getting people from their email list to go buy your product. You're making cash flow on each and every sale, right? When you run your own Facebook ads, you run the risk of losing money on those front end sales. But when someone mails you and you're only paying them for the sales they bring, you are guaranteeing yourself a profit on that front end customer. But it gets better than that because those folks came to you via email. So when they buy your product, they get on your customer list. And these are the kinds of people who buy through email. That's exactly what you want to have on your list. So when you go promote other offers as an affiliate and or when you create your own products, additional products, then you mail your offers to these folks who have already bought from you. The likelihood of them buying again and again and again goes up from there. So this begs the question, how do you learn how to create high converting, low ticket products? Well, there's one e-class that I've personally gone through and I've used this to create my niche navigator course. I've also used this to create my offer recon course and my wealthy creator blueprint course. This one e-class, the link is in the description below, unlocked a process that helped me learn how to create these high converting, low ticket offers that I can create in an afternoon. And once you learn the secret to creating your own products, all you really need to do from there is to open up your ability to create sales copy. Now, I do have some sales letter templates. I have a breakthrough sales letter bundle. It's got 12 separate templates and courses. If you go purchase this e-class from my link that's in the description below, if you end up buying that course, send your receipt to support@milesbeckler.com and request that 12 free template pack, and I'll give it to you as a bonus for signing up for this course. Because truthfully, I want you to have all of the tools that you need to go from, publishing content on the content treadmill and linking out to people where you have a bit of platform risk with Google, or if you're all in on YouTube, either one of those platforms can turn you off. But then you get to the intermediate level where you're building your own email list. But I want you to get to the pro level, to that advanced level of affiliate marketing where you're also creating your own offers. You're also driving your own customers from advertising, and you're also getting other affiliates to mail your offers, and that will explode your list, it will explode your profits, and it will help you create a cash flow momentum that requires so few hours for you to operate. So if you're interested in going down this advanced path, please do yourself a favor, get the e-course, the e-class. I obviously am an affiliate for this, but if you do buy through my link, send your receipt over to support@milesbeckler.com, and we will give you access to all of those templates for free. And if somehow you already bought all of those templates from me recently and you buy that e-class, what we'll do is we will refund your template purchase if it was within the last 90 days or so. So I hope this is helpful for you. I hope you really see the why and the how to really elevate your game from being just a beginner average affiliate marketer who's competing with thousands and thousands of other niche site people just like you, and how you learn how to elevate yourself above that game to play a more valuable game that can offer you greater rewards. It can offer you more prosperity and abundance while freeing up more of your time. This is the path that all of the great marketers take. And when you look around and you see the people who are winning all of the affiliate contests out there, and you start to realize that they all have their own products, all of the affiliate marketers teaching you how to do affiliate marketers teaching you how to do affiliate marketing, they all have their own products. They're telling you that all you need to do is create content and link over to those affiliate offers, but they're selling you their products. And you need to begin to act in integrity with what they're doing in addition to what they're saying. And that's why I have just revealed this advanced affiliate marketing tactic for you here. If you have questions for me, get at me in the comments below. Other than that, look forward to connecting with you on the next video. Until then, be well.